Sure, it's a chicken sandwich, the best item from Wendy's. But I don't need the comfort of any vegetables. Though I have seen my belly, and it is very large. Rise. Oh, back when I was skinny, was told by big fat fatties that mine will be torture for vegetables. Cause I don't see what they see when the veggies stare at me. I see a window, a drive-through, it's a white bit on Lenny crust. Fast food forever. Would veggies even matter anymore? Sure, it's a chicken sandwich, the best item from Wendy's, but it's not as good as shrimp Alfredo. I'm sure there won't always be Wendy's, but there's this momentary bagel slice. You'll have to eat those salty onion rings to get diabetes. It's in addition to your weight. I'm sure there won't always be Wendy's. I'm sure there won't always be chicken fries, but there's this momentary bagel fries. I could drink the ocean, diabetes, I have it. For every salty french fry, there's always Marty Beckett. You think you ate it better?